Hello guys, if you are in Canada and wanted to create a stake account, this video is just for you. In this video, we're gonna talk about how you can create a stake account in Canada. So let's start the video. First, just click on the link given into description box and comment box. After that, you will see this page. Here you get two options, sign in and registered. Just click on registered. Here you need to fill up some information which is needed to create a stake account. First thing first, you need to enter an email address which you wanted to use for stake account. After email address, you need to create a unique username for your stake account. After this, you need to create a strong password for your stake account which has to include three things. First thing is uppercase and lowercase alphabet, one number, and it should be minimum 8 characters. After this, you will see 3 green ticks. After that, you need to enter your date of birth which has to be same as per your documents which you need to use after creating account for verification. After that, you need to enter your phone number which is optical. You can enter it later after creating account. But the most important thing is the promo code which is INDR100 which give you 200% bonus on your first deposit and 5% rake back for your all bets. After entering promo code, just click on create an account and here you need to just click on the box given below. After clicking it, just click on play now and your account has been ready. Here you can see your account is ready. Here you get the option to set up your wallet. You can set up it later. Before that, you need to verify your email address. For that, just click on send email and stake team will send you a verification link on your email address which you entered for creating the stake account. After that, you will get this type of email where you get the verification link and your account is verified for use. Now you can make deposit and play on stake. Hope this short video find you helpful. Thank you for watching this video.